Today I'm coming at you to talk about neem oil. Now I think the only thing I've ever used neem oil in was the Shea Moisture. Their product line has that ingredient in it, but I have never used 100% pure neem oil before, so I ordered this off of Amazon, and this is by TheraTree. Now they have different brands. I just kind of like selected one. I wasn't sure which one to get, so this one is all natural. It's cosmetic grade. I have never used this at all ever in my hair, so this is going to be a first timer, and I'm going to do a 60-day challenge, growth challenge with neem oil. So I don't know if you want to join me on this, if you want to actually try. If you're having any issues with hair growth, or if you just want to, see how it works, I invite you to join me for the 60-day challenge and see what happens within that time. I'm going to take some pictures and I will pop them in the video so you can see there's only two areas that I'm going to work with, and that's going to be my hairline, my edges here, mostly on my temples, because those are the two parts that's kind of receding. And then there's an area in the back area. Right now, I just have my head wrap on today, but I'll pop pictures of the area in the back of my head and also on the sides. Here, I'm just going to read this to you. It's 100% pure, cold pressed, unrefined, and solvent free. It's for healthy skin, hair, and scalp, so you can use it on your skin too. Great in soaps, shampoos, beauty creams, and carrier oils. So what I may do with mine, I have my coconut mixed with castor oil. I may put some in my mixture, so this way, and I'm going to actually do this probably 3 times a week, probably like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then maybe Sundays, and try to do it consistently at bedtime before I go to sleep. Just massage a little bit in and go to sleep, and see how this works for the next 60 days. Hopefully I can keep up with the schedule, because I'm not really used to putting a product in my hair that often during the week. My hair normally just kind of like has been able, like for some reason it's not, I'm noticing the less I touch it, the less products I put in it, the better it's getting. So I don't want to play around with it too much, but I'm just going to add that on the edges and then on the back and see how it works. But I'm going to also read the back of this. It says, let me see over here. Now this neem tree is native of India, where it has been used for centuries, and it's often referred to as the divine tree. So that's interesting, because there's another tree, the olive tree, is also very biblical, and it's a very nurturing, olive oil is very nurturing for the skin and for the hair. And there's another tree, can't remember what it is. If I remember, I'll pop it in, but I can't really remember. There is another tree that's very high. I want to say the almond tree, but I'm not exactly sure. But this here is Olivine TheraTree Neem Oil. Is a proprietary blend of organic and wild crafted neem oil, rich in omega fatty acids and other beneficial properties. Neem oil has long been valued for its wide range of soothing and moisturizing benefits for healthy skin, hair, and scalp. Neem oil has also historically been used to help keep away pests in your garden and or pets. And then it says, neem oil is cold pressed from neem tree nuts and gently filtered to maintain the benefits you expect while upholding the purity standards cosmetic professionals require for skin and hair care. And then it says it's 100% natural and cold pressed, no synthetic fragrances, preservative free, paraben free, petroleum free, some other free, sulfate free, cruelty free, gluten free, and solvent free. So I want to open it because I have not opened it. I have had this and I have not been able to make a video, so I want to see what. Ooh, it's not what I thought at all. I thought this was going to be a liquid for some reason. It's not what I thought it was going to be. Can you see that? It is not. Look. Oh. Interesting. How do you get it out of the bottle if it's like a jelly? I thought for some reason it was going to be like an almond oil or like an olive oil. And it has, let me feel this. It stinks too. It does not smell good at all. I don't know, people. I don't know about this. I'm going to have to hook this up with some kind of essential oil. I do not like the way this smells. I wonder if I have a bad batch. I wasn't expecting this to be like this. I'm not sure if this is the way it's supposed to come. Because I would think if it was thick like this, that it would have came in a different type of bottle. It doesn't even have a, oh, it does have a spout where you can actually squeeze it out of, but this is interesting. So I'm just going to rub this on my skin since they said it was for your skin in here. And they say you can put it in shampoo, but ooh, I don't like the way this smells. I don't even want to put this on my hands. I don't want to be smelling like this. I do not want to smell like this. It is, I don't even know how to describe this smell. It's just not a good smell. It feels good on the skin. It feels extremely moisturizing. It's very soft. It's a little oily. Yeah, it's not too oily. It's like a light oily. It's not heavy oil. Y'all, I'm gonna have to rethink this. I'm gonna have to rethink this because I don't know if I'm gonna, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna use this. I'm definitely gonna have to hook this up with some essential oils, some lavender, some frankincense, some myrrh, something. Because this is just, I can't get over the smell. I wish y'all could smell this. Y'all, oh my goodness, it's terrible. But sorry if you know, I'm not actually. This would not be a great commercial right here. This caught me off guard. Sorry, folks, but I gotta be real with my people. Gosh, I don't know what to say, but we will go forward from this point today. I will come back with this in 60 days to show you if my hair has grown, and I'll take some pics of my hair and we'll just go from there. But I may have to put this, that smell has caught me off guard for real. And I want to wash my hands, to be honest. I don't know, I'm going to have to contact, who can I contact? I may just have to contact the company and ask them if it's supposed to be this consistency. I hope I don't have a bad batch. Another section here that I didn't read that I want to read. So it says, for topical use only, can be applied directly in the skin or hair, or you can mix with other carrier oils such as jojoba, coconut, or olive oil. Then it says common uses. Neem oil makes a great addition to skincare serums, creams, lotions, personal care products like shampoo, conditioners, body washes, and bar soap. Neem oil can also be used to make DIY bug repellents. That explains probably the smell. It says neem oil has a characteristic strong earthy smell. Neem oil can become solid. Oh, okay, this is the key. Neem oil can become solid when cool or at room temperature. If this happens, immerse container in warm water. Sis, I did not read all the instructions. Okay, so that explains, and it's, let me see, then they have just the ingredients, which is just 100% neem oil. So that explains it. It got thick because it's room temperature, and I guess it's cool. It's really not cool in here. It's room temperature, but I guess I just have to apply it and put it in hot water. So I don't have a bad batch. So I just wanted to pop back on and let you know that. So we'll see how this works out, because I don't know about this. I'm just gonna have to put some hook it up. You know how we do. So I guess this is it. I don't know what else to say, but thank you for tuning in.